Have you ever wondered if NorthOne is a real bank? I mean, it's a pretty sleek name, and they offer a lot of the same services as traditional banks. But is it legit? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what a bank really is. A bank is essentially a financial institution that accepts deposits, makes loans, and provides other financial services. They're regulated by government agencies to ensure they operate fairly and safely. So, the question is, does NorthOne fit that description? Exploring NorthOne services, NorthOne offers a range of financial services, including checking and savings accounts. These are pretty standard features for any bank. You can deposit and withdraw money, write checks, and earn interest on your savings. Business loans. If you're an entrepreneur, NorthOne can provide loans to help you grow your business. Debit cards. You can use a NorthOne debit card for everyday purchases. Online and mobile banking. This is a convenient way to manage your finances from anywhere. Comparing NorthOne to traditional banks, so far, it seems like NorthOne offers a lot of the same services as traditional banks. But there are a few key differences. No physical branches. NorthOne is a digital-first bank, meaning it doesn't have any physical branches. This can be a pro or a con, depending on your preference. Lower fees. NorthOne often has lower fees compared to traditional banks. This can be a big advantage for businesses and individuals looking to save money. Customer support. While NorthOne offers customer support, it may not be as accessible as a traditional bank with physical branches. Is NorthOne a bank? Now, the big question, is NorthOne actually a bank? While it doesn't have a physical presence like traditional banks, it's still a financial institution that provides banking services. In many ways, it operates similarly to a traditional bank. Regulatory compliance. One important factor to consider is regulatory compliance. NorthOne is regulated by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This is a big deal, as it ensures your money is safe in case the bank were to fail. So, is NorthOne a real bank? Yes, it is. While it may not have the same physical presence as traditional banks, it offers many of the same services and is regulated by government agencies. Whether NorthOne is the right bank for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient, digital-first bank with low fees, NorthOne could be a great option. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a traditional bank with physical branches, you may want to explore other options. If you're interested in learning more about NorthOne or comparing it to other banks, be sure to check out their website or read reviews from other customers. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial content. Until next time.